Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure you can sign in as the account owner or that you have the device passcode. Otherwise, you cannot change restrictions. Once signed in, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, then Settings and Privacy. Next, find Digital Wellbeing or Screen Time Management in the list. It might be nested under Content and Activity. This first step reveals the controls you'll toggle. Do it now so you can proceed to unlock or remove limits in the next stage. Now you'll disable the limit. Tap Screen Time Management and select Turn Off or Edit Limits depending on your goal. If a passcode is required, enter it. That's how TikTok protects the setting. Once done, the restriction will lift immediately for that account. If you don't have the passcode, request a reset using the on-screen recovery steps or proceed to account-level recovery. Make sure to follow prompts carefully. An app reinstall can clear cached locks, but won't bypass valid passcodes without recovery. Finish by closing and reopening TikTok, then play videos to confirm limits are removed. If restrictions persist, check device-level screen time, iOS, or digital well-being, Android, because system settings can enforce limits independent of TikTok. Once done, make sure no third-party parental control app is active. Those require their own removal process. If you hit errors or a forgotten passcode blocks you, use TikTok's account recovery or contact support. That's the reliable route to resolve locked settings without losing the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.